Have you ever walked into a room and felt invisible? Scientists say people judge you in under 7 seconds. Bakr Designy walked that into a reels, and it has almost nothing to do with what you say. Here are 6 body language secrets that flip. Trick 1. The triangle gaze. Staring too hard feels aggressive. Instead, let your eyes drift slowly between both eyes and the mouth. It looks natural, feels warm, and instantly signals real interest. Trick 2. Mirroring, but slower. Copying someone's posture builds connection, but only if you wait 3 to 4 seconds first. Too fast feels fake. The right timing feels like instant chemistry. Trick 3. Open palms. Since ancient times, showing your palms has meant, I mean no harm. Gesture with open, upward palms in conversation, and people read you as honest before you even real dream to one of me or convince her and faff yourself. Trick 4. The power pause. Rushing to answer feels nervous. A 1 to 2 second pause before you speak signals confidence, and studies show people rate you as Trick 5. Feet don't lie. Faces can fake a smile, but feet rarely do. Watch where they point. Toward you means real interest. Toward the door means it's time to wrap up. And the biggest one? Match their energy, not just their words. Mirror their pace and tone before you try to influence anything. Get that right, and every other trick falls into place. Which one are you trying first? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe for more psychology secrets like this every week.